The town is organizing guided walking tours of Needham Center to gather feedback on ways to make Great Plain Avenue more vibrant, accessible, and safe. Leading these tours is the Envision Needham Center Working Group, a team of elected officials, town staff, residents, and business owners working with the design firm Apex to advance the project. Here's more information from their meeting on January 6th.
The tours will cover both sides of Great Plain Avenue from the YMCA to Needham Bank. Along the way, there will be 12 stops where town staff will engage residents in discussions about traffic calming and beautification opportunities. At intersections and crossings, participants will be asked if they feel safe while crossing and to share their experiences.
Crossing distances, how safe do people feel crossing? How do they feel about the timing allowed for crossing as a pedestrian?
The group is also looking for creative ideas to make sidewalks more dynamic, encouraging foot traffic and supporting local businesses.
How do people feel about the width of the sidewalks, different ideas for activation, potentially shading, seating, different things to sort of think about and improving public space and placemaking, and then also opportunities for public art.
During the meeting, several spots were highlighted for their potential to be repurposed. These include the public right-of-way at the Dedham Avenue turn and the space between Needham Bank and the railroad tracks.
We had talked at one point about doing a parklet there, and it was like people didn't feel super comfortable having, eating their food within 6 feet of the train tracks. So as we use the right-of-way, I think it might be able to figure out what uses of the right-of-way make more sense in which location.
There was also discussion about improving the Chestnut Street intersection to facilitate traffic flow and enhance pedestrian safety.
I would also say, I don't know, obviously this is targeted towards pedestrians, but I think also asking the question about when they're in a vehicle, how they feel, because I think it's also a bit confusing for vehicles going through that corridor. Yep. And I would also say that particular intersection, even more than the others, impacted significantly. The pedestrian signal timing is impacted by the train. And so the timing, we have a very long countdown. But I do think that it doesn't go as frequently as people would like because of the train's proximity to it.
The walking tours will take place on Thursday, February 6th from 5 to 6 p.m. and on Saturday, February 8th at 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Participants will meet at Garrity's Way in front of Town Hall.